everyone, and happy Friday. I apologize because I am not there with you today, but we will still continue to stay on track. So, today we're going to discuss the assignment, but we're going to do so with an introduction on text structure. So, first of all, we know that text structure definitely gives us insight into the document. Whether it's a poem, we look at the structure of the poem to know that it's a poem. If we look at informational text, we'll often see that there generally aren't any quotations within an informational text. But if we look at something that may be a piece of literature, we can know by the structure of the words on the page that it is a literary text. It may give examples of dialogue or monologue or settings and events and maybe a sequence of events in there. But all of that alludes to text structure, how the text is set up on the page. So, so in modules, you'll see, first of all, this article labeled U1L5 9/10/21 with the date for today. You'll see it's called Duty, Honor, Country by Douglas MacArthur. Go ahead, click on that. All right. It'll download the PDF. And what you could do in order to highlight it, of course, is go into, first of all, if you download it. But the other thing is you can use this read write, okay, on your Chromebook. And then it won't let you really highlight anything in this format. But if you click over here at the simplify page, it will download it for you there, and your read write will come up, and then you can go ahead and do the color coding that you really want to do in here. Okay, and annotate, and of course, it'll read everything for you if you want to do that. And of course, it lets you know that it has 5 pages and also all other kinds of different features on here for you. So that is that one. And let's go back to your modules. And you'll also see that you have this. So after you've done highlighting, etc., then you can go ahead here, and there is the presentation that I just gave you, and then you have some questions so to complete. All right, so you have to click resume and answer these few questions. Which of the following best describes the central idea of the text? Which of the following quote best supports your answer to number one? All right, so evidence to support the central idea. How does paragraph one shape MacArthur's message to the cadets in the speech? Because he's a West Point general, was a former general of West Point. So the next is, what effect does MacArthur's use of repetition produce in the speech? And then finally, in the speech, MacArthur places duty, honor, country above everything else. In what ways might this speech and the epic poem Beowulf have similar goals? Then cite evidence from the text to support your answer. That's typo there. But yes, to support your answer, and then click submit. So you'll have to refer back to Beowulf, and some of your, yes, answers from your previous questions of Beowulf might be a great help to you here because you already have evidence there. Okay, So that is it. And then you're done. So thanks, guys. I hope that you have an amazing day today and that you have an amazing weekend. I will talk to you later. Have a great one. Happy Friday.